गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल. पुन्हा आपण डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मध्ये काही एक्स्ट्रा ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह बघतोय. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ ऑल स्ट्रेट लाइन्स पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट 1 -1 इज. या पॉइंट मधून पास होणाऱ्या सर्व स्ट्रेट लाइन्स आपल्याला डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे. We know that differential equation of a line equation of a line passing through a point x1 y1 is y minus y1 having slope m is m into x minus x1. This is differential equation of any line passing through point x1 y1 having slope m. Suppose m is the slope of any line, then y minus y1 is what? Minus 1, that is plus 1 m x minus x1 as a 1 x minus 1. Now differentiate this. This is equation number 1. Differentiate this. We get dy by dx 1 0. Then mx, that is only m. This is the value of just m. m ची व्हॅल्यू याच्यामध्ये टाकलेला पहिला. Then y plus 1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus 1. And this is the differential equation. Y plus 1 dy by dx into x minus 1. x minus 1 असणारे दोन आहेत c और d. x minus 1 dy by dx 1 transfer minus 1 y is equal to x minus 1 dy by dx minus 1. That is d option. Next example. The differential equation of all parabolas whose axis is y axis is dash dash. Question काय विचारलं बघ. The differential equation of all parabolas having axis is y axis, that is this is the axis for parabola. This is the axis for parabola. That is any parabola whose axis is parallel to y axis is of the type any parabola axis is parallel to y axis. y axis ला पॅरलल असणारा axis असेल तर ऑल पॅराबोलास इक्वेशन काय? x minus h bracket square 4a y minus k. That is this is the equation of parabola, all equations of parabola whose axis is parallel to y axis. That is here hk as a vertex as hk and focus at 0 as a focus. तो पॅराबोला या साइडला वरच्या बाजूला ओपन होईल कुठेतरी. आता काय दिलं? द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ ऑल पॅराबोलाज whose axis is y axis. टिपिकल y axis हाच आहे सांगितलं. त्यामुळे पॅराबोला कसा ओपन होईल? या टाइप मध्ये कुठेतरी तो ओपन होणार आहे. इथं त्याचा वर्टेक्स असणार. दॅट इज वर्टेक्स ऑन y axis. Therefore vertex becomes 0k on y axis it is 0k and focus is same. Therefore equation of parabola becomes x square h is equal to 0. h 0 जाईल, therefore h is equal to 0. This h 0, therefore x square is equal to 4a y minus k. And this is equation of all parabolas whose axis is y axis. y axis हा axis असणार आहे all parabolas. Now differentiate this. We get differential equation just 2x 4a dy by dx. Now just transfer or x transfer 4a transfer just 2 by 4a, then dy by dx into 1 by x. Now differentiate this again. This is a constant LHS 0. Here dy by dx d2y by dx square into 1 by x as it is. dy by dx as it is 1 by x minus 1 by x square, derivative minus 1 by x square. Now simply just multiplying throughout by x square ने multiply करूया. काय मिळेल बघा आपल्याला? That is implies x square ने multiply केल्यानंतर इथला x cancel, x d2y by dx square x square ने multiply minus dy by dx is equal to 0. And this is differential equation. X d2y by dx square minus dy by dx. That is x d2y by dx square minus dy by dx equal to 0. A option. Next example. Solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to 3 raised to x plus y. That is, I write this. Dy by dx is equal to 3 raised to x, 3 raised to y. Powers separate दिला 3 raised to x, 3 raised to y. Laws of indices. Now separation 3 raised to y here divide dy upon 3 raised to y, 3 raised to x dx. That is 3 raised to minus y dy is equal to 3 raised to x dx. Transfer, that is 3 raised to x dx minus 3 raised to minus y dy is equal to 0. Yes, it is variable separable. That is integrating. Integrating this 3 raised to x upon log 3 minus 3 raised to minus y upon minus 1 into log 3 is equal to, take constant as a c. Then 3 raised to x minus plus 3 raised to minus y, common denominator log 3 transfer, c log 3. Take this as a new constant, suppose again c. Now this is suppose c1, then it is c. 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to minus y is equal to c. 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to minus y is equal to c. D option. Next example. Solution of the differential equation 2xy dy by dx is equal to x square plus 3y square is dash dash. Question बघा कसा विचारला. 2xy dy by dx equal to x square plus 3y square is. Now this is just by observation. Degree of this term is 2. Degree power 1 1. Degree is 2 again. Here degree 2 again. Here again degree 2. Therefore this is homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation, we make substitution y is equal to vx. Put y is equal to vx. Differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to v as it is x derivative 1 plus x as it is dv by dx. That is, dy by dx is replaced by this. Now this equation becomes, I write 2xy, 2xy as a vx. Vx. dy by dx as it is v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square plus 3y square. Y square means v square x square. V square x square. V square x square. Now just x square common from this, and here as again x square. X into x. This x square and this x square gets common cancel. Common and cancel. Then what is remaining? Just 2v. V plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 3v square. Now next step is what? 2v divide, that is v plus x, I write this. 2v divide first, then x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 3v square upon 2 times v, and then 2v transfer first divided by, then this plus v minus v. Minus v. Then simplification, x dv by dx is equal to, this is cross minus 2v square 1 plus just v square upon 2v, common denominator. 2v कडे transfer 2v square झाला, याच्या बरोबर cancel, then only v square. Then variable separable, this transfer 2v dv upon 1 plus v square. Yes, it is 1 plus v square is equal to dx by x. Integrating again, denominator से derivative numerator है log of denominator, log 1 plus v square is equal to log x plus constant of integration log c. Take any constant of integration, I take log c. Therefore answer is just merge this log, 1 plus v square is equal to xc, and v is equal to, again resubstitute, v is equal to y by x, that is 1 plus y square by x square is equal to xc. Cross, that is x square plus y square, common denominator x square, transfer x cube c. X square plus y square is equal to x cube c. X square plus y square is equal to x cube c. This D option. Now last example number 5. The particular solution of the differential equation x dy plus 2y dx is equal to 0 when x equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is. याचा particular solution काढायचा आहे. Given condition x equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Variables, separables, y transfer, x transfer, that is dy upon y plus 2x 2 dx by x is equal to 0. I am integrating this log y plus 2 times log x. Log x is equal to, take log c as a constant. Then just 2 coefficient power and merge, y(x square) is equal to just c, y(x square). Now by putting given conditions, put x equal to 2 in this, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 neglected, x equal to 2, it is 4. 4 is equal to c. C value 4, sorry. Put c is equal to 4 in this, we get y(x square) is equal to 4. That is the required solution. Y(x square) is equal to 4. That is x square y is equal to 4. B option. Next example, the solution of the equation x square plus xy dy is equal to x square plus y square dx is dash dash. Now this is again observation, it is homogeneous. Its degree is 2, again degree 2, degree 2, degree 2. Degree of each term is same, therefore it is homogeneous differential equation. Again process is same, put y is equal to vx, then dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. This is the well-known process, v plus x dv by dx. Now this equation becomes x square plus xy, y as a vx. Therefore x square v into this dy dx transfer, dy by dx. Instead of dy by dx, I write v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square plus y square. X square plus y square as a v square x square. This y square, x square, v square x square. Now x square common from this, x square common from this and cancel. Then 1 plus v plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square. Now transfer this, v plus x dv by dx 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v. X dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v minus v. This we transfer, then simplification, x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square minus v square upon 1 plus v. This cancel, then remaining is 1 minus v upon 1 plus v, x dv by dx. Variable separable, this transfer 1 plus v upon 1 minus v dv is equal to dx by x. Now I write, this is 1 minus v, I write minus v plus 1 as it is, numerator, denominator I write v minus 1. Minus outside, this transfer, multiply inside and same, dv, dx by x. Now I write v plus 1, I write this minus, the whole term transferred to RHS, then I write v plus 1, v minus 1 plus 2 upon v minus 1 dv, and then plus dx upon x is equal to 0. Now well, separate denominator, it is 1 plus 2 upon v minus 1 dv, then plus dx by x is equal to 0. Now integrating, it is very simple. 1, it is v just, plus 2 log v minus 1 plus log x is equal to plus c is equal to 0, constant, plus c. Then v as a y by x plus 2 times log y by x minus 1 plus log x plus c is equal to 0. This is y by x, v has a y by x. Now finally I write this y by x as it is, y by x plus 2 log y minus x upon y upon x plus log x is equal plus c is equal to 0. Now 2 times log, therefore y by x as it is, 2 times log y minus x minus 2 times log x plus log x plus c is equal to 0. This again minus 2 times log x plus log x, it is minus log x, and minus log x transfer to RHS, that is y by x plus 2 log y minus x प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू लॉग एक्स. इकडे दोन आहेत, एक मायनस एक प्लस, मायनस मिळेल आणि तो ट्रान्सफर, मग ट्रान्सफर दॅट इज लॉग एक्स इक्वल टू what is answer y by x plus 2 times log 1. B option. Next, the order and the degree of the differential equation is this, are respectively. This is the differential equation. Now this is fractional indices फ्री करायचे असतात, निगेटिव्ह पॉवर असेल तर ते आपल्याला फ्री करायचे असतात. नाउ जस्ट दिस टर्म ट्रान्सफर केल्यानंतर काय मिळेल, d cube y upon dx cube raised to 1 by 6 is equal to dy upon dx bracket raised to 1 by 3. Taking raised to 6 on both sides, this is cancel 1, here is 3, taking raised to 6, then here as it is 2, then here just cancel, it is 1. Therefore highest order derivative, that is third order, therefore order is 3 and degree is 1, 3 1, D option. Order and degree of the differential equation, d raised to 4y upon dx raised to 4 is equal to 1 plus. There are no fractional indices, power is 2, again 3, therefore highest order derivative is 4 and degree is, its power is 1, 4 1, B option.